Hey, hello, brother Tasim. How are you now?
I am fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. Where are you going now?
I'm going to buy some books,
Yeah, what kind of books?
English books. Where I go now?
I'm just walking on the road. Do you have some free times?
Yes, I have some free times.
So let's have a cup of tea.
Okay.
Near is a very popular tea stall, and the tea stall owner is very honest and he is very popular. So we
Uh,
can go now.
Okay, I know him. He is very polite, and this tea stall is clean. There's many people who come here, like teachers, students, and many classes of people come here.
Yes, I also know that there are many people who come here and they are talking about some politics and many other kind of discuss.
Yes, I like this discussion. What kind of tea would you like?
I like milk tea. And what is your favorite tea?
My tea is green tea because green tea is very powerful of our health.
So let's go, brother. We
Okay.
can go there.
Okay.
Okay.